Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to apply Garnier Vitamin C Night Serum. First, let's prepare your skin for optimal absorption. Begin by thoroughly cleansing your face to remove any makeup, dirt, or impurities from the day. Use a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. After cleansing, gently pat your face dry with a clean towel, leaving your skin just a little damp. This helps the serum spread more easily. Now, let's apply the serum. Take the dropper and dispense about 3 to 4 drops of the Garnier Vitamin C Night Serum directly onto your clean fingertips. Gently warm the serum between your fingers for a moment. Then, softly massage it evenly across your entire face and down onto your neck. Remember to avoid getting the serum too close to your eyes. After applying the serum, give it a moment to work its magic. Allow the serum to fully absorb into your skin for approximately 1 minute before moving on. This ensures your skin can properly take in all the beneficial ingredients. Next, follow up with your favorite night cream or a hydrating moisturizer to lock in the goodness. Consistency is key for the best results. Using the Garnier Vitamin C Night Serum offers wonderful benefits for your skin. It's formulated with 10% pure vitamin C, which is known to help visibly brighten your complexion and reduce the appearance of dark spots over time. For the most effective results, make sure to use this serum every single evening. Consistent application will help you achieve a more radiant and even-toned look.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.